When it comes to clutter in and around your home, there's nothing better than more storage. So I want to show you how to turn these average plastic pots into something beautiful and practical and turn them into storage pots. The materials that you'll need for this DIY project is a large plastic planter pot and a plastic drip tray. The drip tray now goes on top of the pot and it acts as the lid for our storage pot later. Some cool stencils from the art department, some spray-on contact glue, acrylic craft paint, and I chose the color Midnight Blue, Gorilla Glue, clear spray sealant, as well as cabinet handles. And the tools that you'll need is a 38mm paintbrush, a sponge applicator, a pencil, masking tape, and measuring tape. You grab your measuring tape, and this is 25 centimeters. So I'm just going to make light pencil marks all around the container just so I have a reference line. I'm going to apply masking tape and join the dots of the line that I made. I have my chosen stencil, I have my contact spray adhesive glue, so I'm going to spray the back of the stencil just like that. Make sure it's a little tacky before I apply to the pot. Now what I'm going to do is use my sponge applicator and apply this Midnight Blue to the stencil in light dabbing motions as to make sure it doesn't bleed through the stencil, and then once it's done and it's dried, I'm going to move the stencil over all around the pot and repeat until it's fully covered. And I finished stenciling the pattern all around the pot, and if your hands don't look like mine, I think you're doing it wrong. I had a lot of fun while doing it. I really want to match the lid to the design on the pot, so I'm going to stencil on the lid, but I'm going to keep it in between these two circular ridges that are already on the lid and keep it really minimal. So we're going to go in with the stencil again. So I finished stenciling the center of the lid for our storage pot, and now what I'm going to do is apply some Gorilla Glue to the handles and secure them in place. Now it's time to take the masking tape off and see how beautiful the stencil design looks. Just like that. Now, all that's left for me to do is give it a few coats of some clear sealant to protect it from the elements and the weather. So I spotted this in Andrew's workshop and it's amazing. It turns a spray can into a spray gun. I love this. It's so easy to apply and it's a bit of a lazy DIY hack, but it works for me personally. No brushes to clean. This is heaven. And there you have it, an average planter pot turned into a beautiful looking, practical storage pot. With a few bits of painting and two handles, it can hide the ugliest bits and bobs that are left all over your garden or your house. If you liked this video and found it helpful and inspiring, give it the thumbs up, like and share it with all your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Builders Fan YouTube channel for more projects like this, as well as great product reviews.